friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a antutu benchmark and geek benchmark comparison between the Redmi Note 9 Pro versus the Honor 9X Pro device, which is the Kirin 810 processor, friends. So, which is recently launched in India. So, with the Kirin 810 processor, and in this video, I'll be comparing the side-by-side antutu benchmark results with the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Honor 9X Pro. So, let's check, friends, which phone will score more. And if you're interested to watch more videos, do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the Honor 9X Pro, so where you can find plenty of videos which are uploaded on the phone, as you can see, friends. And let's get started with the antutu benchmark test. And if you are having any queries regarding any other smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram. So do check the links in description, friends, for my Instagram page. So where I'll be posting the camera samples, and you can ask the queries regarding any smartphones in the Instagram. So I'll be replying to you in the Instagram only. And let's get started, friends. Recently in India, the Honor 9X Pro has launched with a Kirin 810 processor, but I got this device 7 to 8 months back from the China, which is a Kirin 810 processor, friends. So overall the results should be same with the Indian version as well in terms of antutu benchmarks. So let's see, friends, Kirin 810 processor versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro's Snapdragon 720G is present on the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Kirin 810 processor. So let's see, friends, which phone will be faster in terms of antutu benchmarks. And right now I'm running the latest version of the antutu benchmark, and as you can see here, friends, already the score in the Kirin 810 processor is pretty much good. So that is what I'm talking about, friends. The overall the Kirin 810 processor is very good in terms of the performing in the benchmarks or even in maintaining the temperatures as well. I'm using this phone, friends, for quite a long time, and trust me, the temperature is not that too high in the phone. And the reason why I am using this phone for too long is that this is a Chinese variant which I ordered some months back, so which has a Kirin 810 processor, friends. So luckily now it's launching in India, so that is very good thing, because plenty of users are waiting for the Kirin 810 processor to be launched in India, and finally the Honor has bought the phone on a 9X Pro device. So if you are definitely interested, friends, don't forget to check the playlist in the description for my channel, so where you can find plenty of useful videos, so which I have uploaded in my channel, friends. So even I did plenty of comparisons as well with the other smartphones like Realme 6 and Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. So you can see, friends, all these videos which I uploaded previously will also work for this Indian version as well on a 9X Pro, because both are having the same kind of Kirin 810 processor, and this should definitely work. So again, I'll be back, friends, once the antutu benchmark test has been completed. So as you can clearly see, friends, the difference in the antutu benchmark from the Redmi Note 9 Pro with the Snapdragon 720G processor to the Honor 9X device with the Kirin 810 processor. So as you can see, so overall, friends, the Kirin 810 processor is very much close to the 3 lakhs benchmark score. So whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pros, it's very close to 3 lakhs 60 sometimes and 3 lakhs 70. So these are overall antutu benchmark test, friends, in both the phones. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, SciTech Guru, and don't forget to check the playlist also. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.